I just finished washing my face and brushing my teeth and doing all the skincares, and now I'm going to prepare our breakfast since my grandmother is not here in the house today. She went to help to our cousin's house, and yeah, I finished making the beds. Okay, now I'll prepare breakfast, then I'll have breakfast, then let's see what I'll do. I'll see you after having my breakfast. I guess I'll go to my cousin's house place to help, I guess. Bye bye.
Okay guys, and this is Chukyie's house, and she's doing something, and let me show you something. And this flower is so good. And yeah, cold water.
So we finished washing.
The water is so good, and my hands are shaking like this.
Hands are shaking like this.
My hands are shaking like this.
And the view is like this.
And there's some white panda.
And here's our white Mickey.
Yeah,
And we're here. So now I'm going. Let's see what our grandmother and our aunts are doing. I guess they're making kapse. And she's going from here. Let's see what they're doing. Wait, I'm walking from here. Learning dance steps, and everyone is tired. Bye, hi, love, hi, love. Hello. Hello. How are you? Like, very, very shy.
나봐가. 나박지야.
So now we're just moving. We're just watching. Like we're watching our dance video again. Kalas.
I'm not like this. Here's
Apple is apple. And now we are taking the parda.
belum bakal. Wait, 지금 좀 해야 돼.
Parda, Rocky chal rahi. Khana khayega. This fruit collecting beef steaks. Yes, let's enjoy. So funny. Guys, it's the next day, day 3, and I guess like the video is too long, so I'm going to end this video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye-bye. Ignore my face, okay? It's all dried. I haven't washed my face. Working. Bye-bye. Guys, this is the jam. Baru jadi yang kena besok.